Good morning, tutor and lessons. I am Lucy Madele. I am going to explain pronouns, tags 3, consonants and vowel sounds. Consonants. What? Shout. Chocolate. F. 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 Give. Sing. To stay. Mother. Sh. Sh. Shower. Sh. Garage. Sunt. Hot. Hot. Route. Right. Eat. Green. Eat. Wheat. O. Book. O. Blue. M. Father. Uh, about. Word. O. To. Apple. Cup. Father. O. Dog. Ia. Idea. Ua. Sure. Ea. Kate. EA. Date. Oi. Toy. I. Sky. Ow. Nose. Ow. Cow. Tongue twister ear. Generate. Tree. Sulfur. Thief. Thrift. Dirty things. Source. Between. Soul. Very brave. Violet. Decided. Right. Relax. With her bright jacket. I'm happy, hot, head, hide, hawks on hot, hotness, hot date. Green trees, sea beats, blue choose to move to. Now my love home out around house, down my bite, the green oil that makes far higher chain anywhere. Thanks.